Oh, half case 2015 Bowman's Best Baseball. These are your squads right here. Thank you everybody that joined. I appreciate it. Good luck to you. That's not good. Okay, here we go. Good luck, everybody. It's really shiny. Timbrel 101. That'd be awesome. Start off with Austin Meadows for the Pirates. All card ship. Brendan Rodgers, that paid off quickly. Zainbow, boom. Hosmer, Gray, Arrieta. Devers, Severino to 150. And I'll go to the Blue Jays. Donaldson and Gallo. Dylan Tate and Kimbrough. Seager. Posey and Schwarber. Posey. Dozier. Pujols and Ellsbury. Winker. Garrett Whitley for the Rays. LA Kings fan for life. Kobe Allard, Chapman, and Garrett Richards. Chris Sale, Atomic. Bam. C-Cad. Benintendi. Aaron Blair, Atomic Refractor. Ryan Braun, Betts, and Rosenthal. Urias. Trey Turner, Nationals. Frankie V. Upton, Lindor, Upton. Bradley Zimmer, Paulie Goldschmidt to 99 for the Diamondbacks. F the Cubbies. Sano and Frazier, that'll go to the Reds. Soler and Beltre. The auto is Chris Bryant. Giancarlo Stanton? I'm just kidding. It was Garrett Whitley. And the first auto was Brendan Rodgers. Robert Stevenson. Phil Bickford, Giants. Alex Reyes, Rodon, and Cespedes. Nola, Eric Hosmer, Josh Bell, that'll go to the Royals. Jung-Ho Kang, refractor. Franco and Brantley. Anybody know what happened to Kang's leg? I saw he was going to miss the spring training. Kyle Tucker. Manny Machado, atomic refractor for the Orioles. F the Cubbies. Nice card. D. Gordon and Ryan Braun. He broke it. What part? Tibula or fibula? That's a big difference. Oh, we're just starting 1, 2, 3. So this is we're good. No, we're good. Talion, Capra Leon, Yankees, refractor auto. Hoff, Miguel Sano, Cabrera, and Cano. Giolito, Mike Trout red, 4 out of 5, going fishing. Damn. NBL, I'm going. I'm sending it into grading on Monday. If you want that to go in, let me know. $10. 4 out of 5. Mike Trout. So red. So red and so clean. Chris Bryant, Nolan Arenado. I'll go to the Rockies. Kimbrel and Jones. If it looks good, send it. All right. Carlos Rodon. Nemo. Benintendi. Boom. Red Sox. Hoff. Killing it tonight. Arrieta, Archer, and Gomez. What the hell did I do there? That's kind of gross. Let's see. It's pretty sharp. Does it come back in 9.5? I'll pay for it. If it does, then you will. $10. Deal? Hunter Harvey. Astros, Preston Tucker and Kyle Tucker. John Gray, George Springer, And Corey Kluber. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Naylor, Norris, Atomic Refractor, David Price, Bryce Harper, and Nelson Cruz. Sorry about that, Rob. It should have gone out a long time ago. Kind of got stuck in the back in a box and put off to the side. How many autos are we at? So we have Phil Bickford, Trey Turner, Brandon Rogers, got Benintendi, Capri-Leon, and Garrett Whitley. That's 6. Are we on pace? Yes. For you, the NT Chris Bryant, the Mike Trout from Bowman's Best, and the Chris Bryant from Bowman's Best are going, Rob. Already got them all cleaned up, sealed, got the sheet printed out and everything, ready to go. Richie Martin, Kobe Allard, Braves, Michael Brantley, James Shields, and Starling Marte. Capri-Leon, Buxton, and Blackman. I don't know how those two even. That'll go to the Rockies. J.P. Crawford, Baumgartner, and McCutch. 4 left in the contenders random divisions. Hunter Harvey. Keep your eye on this guy. I'm telling you right now. Cornelius Randolph. Braxton Davidson. Braves doing some work. I am Bowman. Refractor Auto. Cespedes. Hernandez and Rosario. I like Cespedes in the Mets. Would have liked him more on the White Sox, but glad he's out of the league. Dansby, Crawford, and Dansby. Rob, how do you feel about Brandon Crawford? That'll go to the Giants. Beltre, Kershaw, and Kang. Shipley, Colby Allard. You love him. Mark Appel, Mike Trout, and Soler. What about Joe Panic? Which one of the two do you think is better? Kolek, Dansby, Diamondbacks, F the Cubbies, Severino, Encarnacion, and Steven Matz. Severino, Giancarlo Stanton, and Aaron Judge. That'll go to Miami. Holy shit, that's awesome. Diamondbacks to 50. Atomic Refractor, Dansby Swanson. F the Cubbies. That thing's got a lot going on with it. Cabrera and Gallo. Buster Posey. Glasnow. Miguel Sano. Twinkies. First time I've seen that one. What are we on? Like case 8 of this? Twins. Frankie V. Nice. Syndergaard. Thomas and Scherzer. Stevenson, McCann, and Tyler Stevenson. That'll go to the Yankees. Tyler Kolek, Puig, and David Price. Mondesi, Kyle Tucker, Chris Bryant, refractor, rookie refractor, not bad. Tulo and George Springer. They have they have Jock Peterson. They have Clayton Kershaw. Do they have Urias? I know they have Bueller. Newman. Redemption sauce. Tyler J, Reyes, and Pujols. Should I flip the redemption? Should we look at it? Frankie Montas, Trout and Benintendi. I'll go to Trout. Angels. McCutchen, Blackman, and Brian Dozier. Archie Bradley. Josh Bell. Carson Fulmer. There you go. Big old swooping auto. Better not let that guy sign any stickers. Jeez. Starling Marte, Brett Gardner, and Eric Hosmer. Randolph, Phillies. Frankie V. There you go, buddy. Nice. Your mental health can stay intact. Garrett Whitley. Nola and Shields going to the Padres. Trent Clark, Rosenthal, Chris Bryant. Judge, Brennan Rodgers. Nice. Garrett Richards, Michael Waka, and Syndergaard. Ash Russell. Josh Naylor. Boom. Masher. Marlins is Chase Perry. Henry Owens, Matt Whistler, and Billy Hamilton. He's fast. Conforto, Mark Appel to 150. A-Rod and Carlos Correa. I'll go to the Yankees. Max Scherzer and Addison Russell. Jorge Soler. Ian Happ. Blake Snell for the Rays refractor. LA Kings fan for life. Steven Matz, Daniel Norris, and Dallas Keuchel. Nick Gordon, Strauss and Giolito for the Nationals. Brendan Rodgers refractor. Giancarlo refractor. Prince Fielder. Aaron Blair, Benintendi, Encarnacion, Machado, and Hanley Ramirez. One box left. Dude, that thing was sick, Rob. Kyle Schwarber. If you sell it before Monday, let me know and I'll ship it to whoever. Oh, look at that. To Fitty. Taylor Ward. Angels NBL goes fishing. Carson Fulmer, Matt Harvey, and Jason Kipnis. Yeah, I know, but you could. Phil Bickford, Eddie Rosario to 150. Rodon and David Price going to the Blue Jays. Garrett Cole and Josh Donaldson. Jose Abreu. I've never seen him on this one before. That could not be more off-center. Good Lord. Bo Burrows, Alex Jackson for the Mariners. LA Kings fan for life. Agon, Cole Hamels, and AJ Cole. Yeah, that's what I do, MBO. Paulie Goldschmidt to 25. F the Cubbies. The Hoff. And last pack. Carson Fulmer, Nick Gordon, Atomic Refractor. Bo Burrows, Kyle Seager, and Archie Bradley. That'll do it on this one. Thank y'all.